In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Agoda app on Android. By the end, you'll have the official Agoda app ready to use on your phone or tablet so you can quickly book hotels, find cheap flights, and manage your trips on the go. To get started, make sure you're on an Android device with internet access. The Agoda app is available for most devices running recent versions of Android, and downloading from the Google Play Store keeps things safe and straightforward. Begin by opening the Google Play Store. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. This is the only place you should download the app from, as it ensures you're getting the genuine version without any unwanted extras. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar, type Agoda, and pause for a moment as results load. You're looking for the official listing titled Agoda, Cheap Flights and Hotels by the developer Agoda. Checking the exact title and developer name is a quick way to avoid lookalike apps. Once you've opened the correct app page, tap Install. The download will begin right away. If you see a brief prompt about app details or permissions, that's normal for Android apps from the Play Store. A stable connection helps the download complete smoothly. If you're on mobile data, be mindful of your plan, and Wi-Fi is usually best for faster, more reliable downloads. You'll notice a progress bar while the app downloads and installs. This can take a moment depending on your connection and device. If it seems slow, just give it a little time. When it's finished, the install button will switch to Open. Tap Open to launch Agoda immediately. If you want to open it later, look for the Agoda icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Inside the app, you can start exploring right away. Agoda lets you book hotels and resorts, find cheap flights, reserve apartments and vacation rentals, access travel deals and discounts, and manage your bookings from your phone. It's designed to make planning and tracking your trips convenient from a single place. If you don't see the install button or the app doesn't appear in search, your device may not be compatible, your Android version may be older, or the app might not be available in your region. In most cases, using a recent Android version and the official Play Store will do the trick. That's all it takes. You've successfully downloaded the Agoda app on Android. Enjoy your travel planning.